previous lecture we have discussed the distance. Now we are discussing the displacement. What is the displacement? The minimum distance traveled by the particle is known as displacement. This is the minimum shortest distance. If a particle is moving from point A to point B from this path, this is the actual path. This is the actual path. This is the actual path which we travel from A to B. If we are interested to find the minimum path, this is our initial point and this is our final point. Final point. This is the initial point. Initial point. And we are joining initial to final point. This minimum shortest distance is known as displacement. Now, what is the unit of displacement? Unit of displacement is same as the distance, and unit of displacement is meter. It is a vector quantity. Second point, displacement can be positive, negative or zero. This is also important. And fourth factor is mode of displacement. Mode of displacement always less than and equal to distance. Distance. This is also very important. This inequality is also important for us. How we can define the displacement? If a particle is moving, from point A, if a particle is moving from point A to point B, if a particle is moving from point A to point B, what if the radius of the circle is r? If the radius of the circle is r, what is the displacement from A to B? Displacement from A to B. Displacement from A to B. Here is the initial point and here is the final point. We joining those 2 points. This is r, this is r, this is 90 degree, this is r root 2. It means r root 2 is the displacement. And if a particle is moving from A to B, what is the distance? Distance from A to B. It means that this is the curve path distance. This is the curve path distance. This is the distance. Complete circle revolve 2 pi r, and half circle revolve pi r, and this is pi r by 2. Pi r by 2, because this complete distance is 2 pi r and half distance is pi r, and pi r by 2, this is the distance. This is pi r by 2. This is the distance. Here we can understand what is the basic difference between the distance and displacement. If we are interested to find the displacement, we join initial and final point, and the shortest minimum distance is known as displacement, and the actual path which is traveled by the object is known as displacement. If a particle is moving from A to B, this is the displacement, and this curved path is known as distance. Here, if we are interested in the circle of the radius is r, this is r, this is r, this is 90 degree. What is the distance between A and B? R root 2. This is r, this is r, this is r root 2. And distance from A to B, this is a curved path length. The whole curved path length is 2 pi r. This is whole curved path length will be 2 pi r, and the half is pi r, and this is pi r by 2, and the final distance is pi r by 2.